Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add notes in Google Docs. So first step, select the text that you want to add a note to and then right click on it. Now this will open up this menu where you can simply click on comment right here. You can also use a shortcut, Command plus Option plus M. Now it will open up this window where you can comment, so basically add a note. So add your note and press this blue button, Post Comment. Now, as you can see, this text is highlighted, which indicates that there is a note added to it. And you can see it simply like this. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.